Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Programming Only. In this session we will speak on SQL distinct, order by and top clause. And firstly we will see what is the need of these keywords and how to use them. So let's begin with distinct clause. Suppose there may be a situation when we have duplicate records in our table and we have to fetch only unique records or unique set of columns from the table. At that time we can use distinct keyword in SQL. The distinct keyword is used in conjunction with select statement to fetch the unique or different records from result set. The basic syntax of distinct keyword is select distinct column 1, column 2 up to column n from table name. So let's try this practically in our management studio. So let's consider table student data from my school database. So, let's check the records from student data table. You can see there are multiple records, around 20 records, and most of there are repeated records over there as I have inserted for our demonstration. So let's try to find unique records using distinct keyword. Select distinct star from student data. This is our syntax. Select distinct. So let's fire this query. So here we can see only 4 records are unique in this table. Almost others are duplicate. We can also use specific column names to find distinct values. So let's try select distinct student names, student name or student data. So we can see only 3 student names are unique throughout the table. Okay friends, we can also specify multiple table columns over here, like select distinct student names from student data. There are 4 records which are unique with this combination of columns. So hope you understood distinct clause. So let's move for the order by clause. Consider simple situation when we need student names in sorted order, either in ascending order or in descending order. At that time we can use order by clause. Basically, order by clause is useful to get result set in sorted manner. It can sort result set in ascending or descending order. By default, order by clause sorts the result set in ascending order, whereas we can set explicitly using ASC keyword. And to sort result set in descending order, the keyword DESC must be used. So basic syntax of order by clause is select column 1, column 2 up to column n from table name, order by column 1, column 2 up to column n, and after that the placement of ASC or DSC keyword, which indicates the sorting type, either it is ascending or descending. So let's come back to our management studio and let's check the student data table. We can see the student names are not in sorted order. Suppose we need the table data with student names sorted by ascending order. So let's try with order by clause. Select star from student data and order by student name. By default, there is no need to specify ASC keyword if you want to sort the list in ascending order. So let's try this. We can see all the records are sorted using student name. Suppose we can give ASC keyword. We can see it's sorted in ascending order. Now suppose we have to sort table records using descending order. So simply place the DSC keyword in after student name. We can see student name are sorted in descending order. And this was the example we have tried how to get records from given table with student name sorted in ascending order. Here keyword ASC is optional. And second, how to get records from given table with student name sorted in descending order. Here keyword DSC is mandatory. Let's move forward. How to get records from given table sorted with standard in ascending order and then student name in descending order. So it can be achieved through the query select star from students order by standard ASC student name DSC. Here keyword ASC is optional as we know. So let's try this practically in our management studio. So let's consider our table student data. Select star from student data and order by standard in ascending order whereas student name in descending order. Order by, so this is the query select star from student data order by standard ASC comma student name DSC. This query will give us a result set in which standard is sorted in ascending order whereas student name is sorted in descending order. Let's check the result. Here we can see firstly all records are sorted using standard and after that it's sorted using student name. We can see over here. Here keyword ASC is optional. So let's try by removing ASC keyword. We can see the same result as previous. So let's see the things to know about order by clause. The order by clause is invalid in views, inline functions, derived tables, subqueries, and common table expressions, unless top, offset, or for XML is specified. Consider below example with subquery. If you don't know subquery, don't worry, we will see it in our later sessions. But for example, let's consider this subquery. I have already written these queries. Suppose we are trying subquery without specifying top and by specifying order by clause in subquery. Let's run it. Then you can see this is the error message. The order by clause is invalid in views, inline functions, derived tables, subqueries, and common table expressions unless top, offset, or for XML is also specified. And suppose we specified top clause in subquery with order by clause. Let's run this query. We can see the result. It means in conjunction with top clause in subquery, order by clause can be possible. So let's start with top clause. Consider a situation when we need to check some records from heavily loaded table. At that time, rather requesting huge data, we can get specific number of records from the table by specifying top clause. The top clause is useful to fetch top n number or n% records from the result set of query. The basic syntax of top clause is select top n or n% column names from table name. The top clause can return data in two ways as by specifying number of records from the result set or by specifying the percentage of records from the result set. So let's consider table students. How to get top 5 records from the result set. Select top 5 star from students. This query can be useful to get top 5 records from the table students. And suppose we have to add some condition, then we can use where clause in it. But here the question comes that does this query will select top 5 records and then apply where condition, or first apply where condition and then select top 5 records from the result set. So let's see it practically in our management studio. So consider our table student data. Let's try to select top 5 records from student data table. We can see there are 20 records in the table. So let's try to get top 5 records. I am firing this query. We can see only 5 records are get visible in result set. Now suppose we have to give some condition like where standard is equal to 11th. Then here we can see the query first finds 11 standard students and after that it applies top 5. It doesn't apply top 5 first and after that where condition is not get applied. Firstly it applies where condition and then top 5 records are get visible. We can check the result. Only 11 standard students are there. So let's see how to get 5% of records from result set. The query can be select top 5% star from students. Here keyword percent is required. Let's try this practically. Let's try it in our management studio. Select top 5% star from student data. You can see the query is executed successfully and the 5% is only one record because there are 20 records and the 5% of 20 record is one record only. If you specify 10%, it will give two records. We can see. Hope you understood top clause.